excited. We have Lydia here today, and we're going to show you how to do a cute, fun hairstyle, okay? Like a cute, messy bun, really quick, really easy. All we're going to do is we're going to section this section right by her ear so she has all of the side pieces out, okay? And then we're going to take the back half and have it on top of her head, okay? And then we're gonna take a big rubber band, and all we want to do is take this ponytail and we're gonna pretend like we're gonna put it all in a ponytail and wrap it around 3 times. Then on the 3rd time, we're gonna pull that bun halfway through, okay? Like so. And we're gonna make this really poofy, big, messy, and then we're gonna bobby pin this down. Just kind of, I don't want to bobby pin it down too tight, but just kind of loosely put your bobby pins in. And then we're gonna take the back part of her bun, and we're just gonna twist that around. And then we're gonna bobby pin that. And now we're gonna just take the rest that's out and we're going to pull it up and kind of like twist it. And we're gonna pin that back, leaving the ends out so it kind of stays like messy. And then we're gonna keep her bang out and then keep like some of this side pieces out. And we're gonna barely just loosely bobby pin this back, leaving like her ends out so it can stay like messy. And then we're going to do the same thing with this side. We're gonna take a section and we're going to twist it back, leaving out the end so it can make it like messy. And if you need to, you can twist that up a little bit to make it a little shorter. And then I'm gonna keep this a little bit of hairs like around her face. Just make sure you keep the ends out so it can be messy and cute. And then this we can make it a little bigger. And then you can even these back pieces that are really long a little shorter so it gives it a little more volume. And there you have it, a quick, easy, tousled, messy bun. Yeah. We're going to show you how to do a really easy half up messy bun, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to leave a little bit of hair out, and I'm going to take about half of the hair in the back. I want to make sure that I can get a big enough bun, but I want to leave some hair out. So after I pull what I think is a good amount up, I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to do the same thing. Like I'm going to pretend like I'm going to make a ponytail right here. And then on the 3rd one around, I'm going to just pull that bun halfway through, okay? And kind of make it as messy as you can. And then just kind of gonna pin it a little bit in place. Then I'm gonna kind of twist this piece that's out up to make this bun a little messier. And just barely pin the ends in. And then I want to keep it messy, so I don't want to like take all the hair out. Twist this back. Who would have thought? Okay, so now I'm gonna keep these messy pieces out, but just kind of twist that back. And then just kind of little texture. Wait, the half up might be even cuter.
It's so cute.
Oh,
like, I want to try to
my
recreate
gosh.
this now.
Wow.